I heard that you bought a camera. USR.
EOSR.
Yeah, whatever, man.
Okay.
Show me,
man. Yeah, I bought it, man. Let me show you. I bought it, man. Yeah.
How much is it, man? How much is it? How much is it?
This is man. It's expensive. In here in South Africa, it's about 86,000. Yeah, I think.
36,000.
Quite expensive.
You see, for me, man, I could buy it. I could go married or buy it or something. Okay, please, one favor, man.
Okay.
How about we exchange for this one?
No.
Come on, my brother. Oh, for this one.
No, not for this guy.
Okay, how about for this one? A road. Come on.
I will think about it.
Yeah.
Hello guys, this is COSSA. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be unboxing Canon EOS R. So let's see what's inside the box. Manual, no one read this. So USB, charger cable, and a charger. Super awesome. We have a camera stripe. We have a battery. Also 24015. This is more like a zoom lens. I actually ordered this with this body. So it came up with this body. Woo! Yeah, this is the body itself. It's really awesome. I love the grip here. It's really awesome. Bought it LCD screen, which is really awesome. Especially for I'm a video shooter, so I shoot most of videos. So it's actually awesome for me to actually nail those lower shot, which is without me actually having to, kneel down for that. So but I love this one slot for SD, so I don't actually mind. I haven't used any cam with 2 SD cards, so that's not a problem for me. The set part, we have headset, mic jack, HDMI, USB, and also the remote goes there. And another thing, I love the LCD, which is really nice to see your modes there if maybe you are on manual or you're on program mode or I don't know, automatic. So there's a nice LCD screen there. And the last thing I love about this shutter curtain here, which actually protects your image sensor inside. So it's quite awesome. I wish all cameras has this kind of feature. So I don't know what else I didn't mention. Also, we have a rubber here. I don't know if you can see very well there. That's where it goes to battery grip. That's where it goes there. I don't have one, but it's really important. And also the battery, that's where it goes. I love the weight of this. This feels like nothing, but the body actually feels so much rigid. Look at the size, man. This is, come on. I can't wait to take this cam to the field and see its capabilities for photos and videos, which I will make videos about it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to actually be notified as soon as I post. And I love it so much, and I will see you next time when I upload. Bye. Goodbye.